Now see the next question. From the following particular, prepare the proprietor's capital account. So we'll prepare the capital account of the proprietor. So capital account, the format, I have drawn the format already. I have drawn the format. In this format, the information of date is given in the question. That's why I have drawn the date column as well. So date, particular, amount. This is for debit side. Debit side. This is for debit side. Okay, this is for debit side. Again the date, particular and amount, this is for credit side. So the first transaction is started business with cash. You know the capital, if the capital will increase in capital, we will write this side increase in capital. Credit side. And decrease in capital we write in the debit side. Decrease in capital in the debit side as per the rules of American rules, American approach, modern rules, modern approach which is developed in America. So increase in capital credit, decrease in capital debit. So first transaction is started business with cash. When the business, we start the business with cash, so capital will increase. So this side we will write it, the date is April 1. April 1. The year is 2015. So first of all we will write the year both side in the date column. So first is April 1st. The proprietor started the business with cash rupees 75,000. When the proprietor started the business with cash, the capital of the proprietor will increase. So this side we will write it by. We start with the buy cash, started business with cash. So buy cash. Here business has started business. Okay, this one is the first transaction. This is 75,000. Business started with 75,000. Our capital will increase. That's why I have written in the credit side. Second is withdrew from business for personal use. For personal use, the proprietor has withdrawn the amount from the business. It means the capital of the proprietor will decrease. If the proprietor has withdrawn the amount from the business for personal use, the capital of the proprietor will reduce by that amount. So we'll write this side to date is June 17. To cash. Proprietor has withdrawn. It is called drawings. You know it well. It is known as drawing. When the proprietor withdrew the amount from the business for personal use, it is called drawing. So drawing is 10,000. Here the capital is reduced. That's why we have written in the debit side decrease in capital. Life insurance premium paid. Life insurance premium should be paid by the proprietor because it's a proprietor's insurance premium, not the business insurance premium. So if the proprietor's life insurance premium is paid through the business, it means the proprietor has withdrawn the money from the business for the personal use. So this is also a drawing. So to cash, it is also a drawing. LIC premium. LIC premium should be paid by the proprietor from their personal account, not from the business account. Here the proprietor has paid this premium from the business account. That's why it's a drawing. So drawing reduce your capital. Date is your July 31st. July 31st. And this amount is 13,000. Next is sold personal investment worth rupees 15,000. Personal investment worth rupees 15,000 at a profit of 5%. Personal investment of rupees 15,000 is sold at a profit of 5%. It means 5% means 750. 5%. It means it has sold at rupees 15,750. 15,750. So sold personal investment worth rupees 15,000 at a profit of 5% and brought into business on the same day, and this amount is given by the proprietor into the business. It means the proprietor has invested additional capital into the business, so increase in capital by cash. The date is September 25. Proprietor has invested additional capital into the business by selling of his personal investment at a profit of 5%, and this amount is invested in the business, so it's an additional capital given by the proprietor. It's an additional capital in addition to this one. So increase in capital, so that's why I've written in the credit side. Loss for the year. If the business suffered a loss, that loss will be bear by the proprietor, by the owner, and loss reduce the capital. That's why we have to write this side. Date is December 31st. There is a loss, so to PL account it's a loss. Loss reduce the capital, decrease the capital of the business, and it is 5,000. Okay, it is 5,000. Now we'll do the total. This side total is, this side total, credit side total is more. It is 05709, 90,750. Is it clear? So 90,750, and this side total is how much? 00082, 28,000. So difference will indicate your balance figure, which will be carry forward December 31st, which will be carry forward to the next year. 0005726, 62,750 will be carry forward. This is the balancing figure. Difference of 90,750 minus 28,000. Is it clear? So increase in capital will be this side and decrease in capital will be this side. Here proprietor has introduced the capital, so this side the capital balance will increase, additional capital balance will increase. Withdraw the amount from the business. Premium is paid, life insurance premium is paid, which is the personal expense of the proprietor, but it is paid through the business cash, so the capital will decrease. Loss also decrease the capital. If there will be a profit, then profit increase the capital. So if the profit will be there, then I have to write this side by PL profit and add it, because increase the capital, but loss decrease the capital, and this is your balancing figure. Now the next question. Open T-SAPE account. I have opened the T-SAPE account of machinery account. Date, particular amount, date, particular amount. This side is for debit, this side is for credit. Write the following on the proper side. So first one is purchased machinery. You know the machinery is the assets, and you know the rules of debit and credit of assets. Increase in assets will be in this side. Increase in assets will be in this side. Increase in assets, and decrease in assets will be in credit side. You know the rules of debit and credit. So machinery is the assets. If the value of machinery or machinery increases, then we will write in the debit side, or if the machinery is decreasing, then we will write in the credit side. So start with the machinery purchased. When we purchase the machinery, it's a transaction number 1. I have written serial number in the date column. Transaction number 1, we purchase the machinery. So when we purchase the machinery, we have to start with the two this side, 2 cash. Machinery is purchased of rupees 5 lakhs. So increase in assets. When we purchase the machinery, the machinery is increasing. Okay, we purchase the machinery, purchase it. That's why machinery is increasing. We have written in the debit side. Next is machinery sold. When we sold the machinery, machinery will decrease. So we'll write this side, transaction number 2, we'll write this side, sold. We start with the buy, cash. Okay, it is sold for 1,20,000. So here machinery will decrease, assets will decrease. From the business, assets will decrease because machinery is sold. Next is machinery discarded. Discarded means useless, it is wasted. So buy discarded. Discarded will be this side, 50,000. Machinery is discarded, useless. Okay, scrap. Next is new machinery purchase. Then we'll write this side, new machinery purchased, 2 cash. Once again, new machinery purchased. So assets will increase. Assets will increase. We'll write this side, new machinery is purchased for 2 lakhs. Next is machinery destroyed. So when the machinery is destroyed, we'll write this side, destroyed. Destroyed, wasted, whatever the reasons may be. Okay, destroyed. So we'll write this side, your machinery 40,000, decreased by 40,000. Now we'll find out the balance. Okay, this one is 5, fifth one. Now do the total. This side total is 5 lakhs. 5 plus 2, 7 lakhs. This side total, we write the same total over here, 7 lakhs. This total I have written same over here, 7 lakhs. Now I am doing the total of this side, 0, 0, 0, 0, 9, 2 lakh 10. Okay, the difference is balance carried down 0, 0, 0, 0, 9, 4 lakhs 90,000 is your balance of machinery. Balance of machinery at the end of the 5th transactions related to machinery. Okay.